Greetings! Today I'm installing some carbon fibre eyebrows on the Fiesta ST from Carbon Motorsport. Okay, so these eyebrows are made from a really thin piece of real carbon fibre, so they look absolutely fantastic, seeing that weave glisten in the sun. And they stick on quite simply. They use 3M VHB tape, which is pre-applied, and we know this is pretty strong tape because it's the same tape that our number plates from Ford use, and they are absolutely solid as a rock. So let's get these installed. Okay, so we need to make sure that the surface is really nice and clean. The eyebrows, they stick obviously on the outside, but also quite a decent bit on the inside, which goes under the bonnet. So you may think this is clean if you've just had your car cleaned, but quite often this bit will be a bit neglected. So we need to make sure that the whole thing is really nice and clean and ready to stick the tape onto. So what I'm going to use is I'm actually going to use this thing that I got in one of my Because race car boxes from Carspunk. It's a glass spray, but it's basically a pure alcohol, so it will clean and prepare the surface real nice. So I'm just going to spray it into my microfiber. Just a few sprays, and then just rubbing that on, just getting that nice alcohol clean. As you can see, there's quite a bit of grime actually came off doing that. So we need to do that on both sides. Okay, so now our surfaces are really nice and clean and ready to stick the eyebrows onto. So it's pretty obvious, I mean, they fit the shape, you know, pretty much exactly. So it's just going to be a case of setting it in and then pushing down and holding it in place for at least sort of maybe 30 seconds so that the tape takes. Now they're pretty straight from the factory, so we need to get it in and then sort of press it down and push it into place, kind of like that. So we need to make sure that we've got it right first time. So I'm going to find my location at this end first, because obviously this point needs to go in the point of the light. So I'm going to push it in along sort of like the top rim. Push that down. Gradually get it down into place. And just give it a good pushing all along it. Especially, of course, on the outside, because that's where it's going to be seen. I want to make sure that the tape is all the way down, all the way along the edge, because the tape obviously goes all the way around the edge. And then once you're happy that it is, I'm just going to, in the main sort of areas, apply some pressure and wait here for about 30 seconds until the adhesive of the tape sort of takes a bit. Okay, so that's one side on, then we just repeat the process on the other side. Now that we have our carbon fibre eyebrows on, I'm just going to seal them in with some Future Armour from Dodo Juice. It's a sealant and wax substitute, so I'm going to apply it in a pretty similar way to I applied the Carspunk earlier on. and then that'll be us done. Okay, so that's us pretty much done. Now we just need to close the bonnet, and you'll see that the bonnet covers up about half of that and just leaves the eyebrow on there, which also acts as a kind of a secondary way of holding them on, kind of, if they should happen to come loose, which, let's be honest, they won't with that tape. So and we're done. Alright, so those look sweet. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for more content to come very, very soon. Cheers once again. Goodbye.